staying awake all through the night to make sure you break that story. You just want to meet your deadline. And most times this, builds up stress. So we are doing this work. Last year it was all about press freedom. For you to be fit, for you to be alive, to work for press freedom, you must be healthy and fit to carry out that job. And that's the more reason why we are gathered here as a team, as a union this time around, to say a healthy journalist is important for a healthy democracy. Stress management saves stories. Press for mental health is all we are asking, and we must make mental health a habit. Healthy journalists, strong democracy. Report with care and care for your mind. From pressure to purpose, and together for mental health and work. So that's the essence of this. And we're walking through the street to tell people that as journalists we are fit to make sure that we have a credible, well-balanced, free writing in the course of our duties, and it boils down to ethical journalism. So we must be healthy and fit to stay alive for that story that must be factual.
Mental health are issues we take for granted. We believe after chilling out, at the press center, we are okay. No, we are not. And during the screening, the health outreach yesterday, on Saturday, she reported that some people didn't even know they had high BP. And so from time to time, it is good for us to check ourselves. And journalism is a profession that you practice with a lot of stress. Deadlines you have to meet, pressure, from family, pressure in the workplace. If you don't tune in the story, deadline pressures. So we are always under pressure. And we must also realize that once you fall flat and go, the show continues. Like they used to tell us in NTA, the show must go on. So take care of your health. Make use, avail yourself of opportunities like the one given on Saturday to ensure that you check your blood pressure, your sugar level, and as we age, you cut down on some excesses. This is your own individual way of trying to survive the hard times.
On Saturday to make sure we are healthy. Now we want to prove that we are indeed healthy, and by coming out to engage in this exercise, we are also drawing attention to the mental health challenge of Nigerians, especially for professionals who work under serious and extreme pressure. We are hoping that today, given the work we do, we will have been able to draw sufficient attention to mental health issue in our country.